Hey guys, welcome to the help screen, and this is how to remove shows from continue watching on Crunchyroll. So now, go ahead and go to your web browser and go to crunchyroll.com, guys. And then after that, this will be their homepage. And in order for you to remove your continue watching, we're gonna go over here on the top or right corner, your profile. And then from here, guys, go to your watch list. And then from here, you will have multiple options, watch list, crunchy list, and the history. So guys, here on the history, you will have two options to remove this. You will have here an option to clear the history of everything you watch. And guys, if you want to remove a certain clip, you're just gonna select it and remove it from your history, and from here, you will be able to clear your history watch. And there you go, guys. That's how to remove shows from continue watching on Crunchyroll. If this video was helpful, guys, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya.